What's up guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to fix the Windows Start menu when it's not working, not opening or not searching. This is a common problem with several potential solutions. First, we need to check for Windows updates. Open your settings by pressing the Windows key and I at the same time. In the settings window, head to the Windows Update section. Here, you'll see the option Check for Updates. Click on it and Windows will search for any available updates. If updates are found, download and install them. Once the updates are installed, restart your PC to apply the changes. If you suspect that any recent update caused the problem, you can uninstall it. Go to Update History in the same menu, then click on Uninstall Updates. Select the most recent update and click Uninstall. After uninstalling, restart your PC. If updating Windows doesn't fix the issue, we can try restarting Windows Explorer. Use the Ctrl, Shift and Escape shortcut to open the Task Manager. In the Task Manager window, find Windows Explorer in the list of processes. Right-click on it and select Restart. This will refresh the desktop environment and can often fix Start menu issues. Next, let's use the System File Checker to scan for and repair corrupted system files. Open Command Prompt as an administrator by right-clicking the Start button and selecting Command Prompt or Terminal Admin. In the Command Prompt window, type sfc/scan now and press Enter. This command will scan your system for corrupted files and attempt to repair them. The scan might take some time, so be patient. Once it's complete, restart your PC. If the problem persists, the issue might be caused by third-party software. Some applications can interfere with the Start menu. Try disabling or uninstalling recently installed programs to see if that resolves the issue. To do this, open your Windows settings by using the Windows key and I shortcut. Then go to Apps. Here, you'll see a list of installed applications. Find any recently installed software, select it and click Uninstall. Follow the prompts to remove the application. Restart your PC after uninstalling the software. If none of these steps work, you can try performing a system restore. This will revert your computer to a previous state before the Start menu issue began. Search for Restore and select Create a Restore Point. You can also access these settings via your control panel. From here, head to the System Protection section. In the System Properties window, click on System Restore. Follow the prompts to choose a restore point before the Start menu issue started. After selecting the restore point, click Next and then Finish. Your PC will restart and restore to the selected point. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.